Elizabeth Dackson, and on today's community segment, I'd like to welcome back Kara Sanders to talk more about planning a community retreat. Hi, Kara, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. I'm so glad that we brought you back because you've got such a wealth of knowledge to share.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sure that there are so many things that you would do differently, and I know we talked a bit about the financial side of things the last time that we chatted, but I'm sure that there's probably little things that surprised you that you never thought that you would change about an event like this. What were some of the things that surprised you that first year?
Well, there's one thing that really surprised me. So the first year we had our sewing retreat, we had, breakfast, lunch, and everything together at the lodge. But for dinner, I thought everybody would want to get out of the lodge, go and see the cute little town where we are, and people could just grab dinner on their own. Oh. I could not have made a worse decision.
Oh no.
Folks wanted to stay in. I wanted to stay in. I wanted to stay in my PJs. We wanted to wear our sweats and our comfy slippers, and we just wanted to sew the whole day. We wanted to drink coffee, we wanted to sew, we wanted to chat. And so it was around 6 o'clock and our belly started rumbling, and we had to leave all of our projects and go into town and get pizza.
And go forage for dinner.
And we had to forage for dinner, and it made us a little sad. But so in future years, what I did is all of our breakfasts are right there, or rather all of our meals are right there, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have a snack table. So when you want to eat, you grab something to eat, you go back to sew, cross-stitch, knit, whatever it is you're doing.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So it's as all-inclusive as possible.
Absolutely. All of your food is there. Every single thing you need is there. Something else I learned the first year, it's so easy to run out of little bits of supplies. Oh gosh, there's this one fabric I'm using for this quilt and I don't have anymore.
Oh no, yeah.
There was this one brand of thread I'm using and I don't have any more of that or in that color. So I partnered with a local quilt shop, and every year they come to the sew-in with a pop-up shop, which is amazing because they have all these new lines of fabrics, all these great little rulers and things that people can buy. And a lot of times folks haven't seen these things in person. They've only seen them online.
Right.
So it's a really great opportunity for the shop to get involved and for folks to see new things and touch new fabrics and feel, all the textures that they've only ever seen in pictures.
What a great idea. Are there any other partners that you've brought in for anything like that?
Oh, yeah. So one of my big goals is to have a goodie bag for everyone at the event.
Those are always fun.
Yeah, they're so fun. And everybody likes getting little gifts.
Yes.
And so I reach out to tons of folks. I reach out to fabric shops, designers, fabric houses, cross-stitch designers, cross-stitch companies, different yarn shops, notions companies, and notions accessories. I've reached out to places who design stationery and prints, so that folks would hang them in their sewing room.
Fun.
And the response has been fantastic. The crafty community is just so supportive. And we do all of this because we love to create and we love to build each other up. So people have been so supportive, and they just send all of these great goodies for these men and women who come to their retreats. And everybody just feels, so special that folks from all around the world send them little goodies for their bags.
That is so wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing all of these wonderful ideas.
My pleasure.
I just know that people are really going to enjoy getting to plan retreats, and you've given them some great nuggets to get started with.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, Kara.
Yeah, thank you. It's my pleasure.
And that is how to get started with planning a retreat.